Yes,
but,
yes.
So I know that this book, the 12-Day Power Detox, it really is a tool, right?
Yes.
And like any tool, I have to understand how to use it in order for me to get the benefit out of it. So would you tell us, how would one successfully complete the program that you've talked about?
Okay. So first things first, there's a section in the book that's called Important Notes. So you want to kind of read that section and make sure you understand it. So, and then I talked about the prep week, make sure you follow everything in there too. I think one of the important things is just prepping your meals, preferably the night before, so that in the morning when you're pressed for time, you're not like, oh, I don't have time to make the smoothies, and then you just kind of fall off not having your recipes made. So that's one of the ways to just be successful at this, and set out time to do the devotional. So I mean, I would recommend that you do it in the morning, because that will give you time to think about it like during the day. You can take that with you during the day and apply it and make the most of it instead of doing it at night. So I recommend that you set out time in your mind. Okay, I'm going to wake up at this time and I'm going to read my devotional, and spend some time on you and really focus on it.